Okay guys, now let's go straight to the point. Just open your YouTube channel. After open your YouTube app, I mean. So from here, come here, down here. You are using this plus sign? Sorry, that's an advert. Just press here, that arrow. Okay, let's go. Then come to add. Make sure it is on short. Then come to add. Then choose the video you want to post. As simple as like that. Then we go with this one. Yeah, this one. Okay, so from there you press next. So here you can also edit the video from here. You can reduce, you can increase depending on any size you want it to be. So and then you press done. Okay, after done, you wait for it to process. So guys, that's how simple it is. Very simple. Very, let's wait for it to process. It's processing. Why is it taking too long? Guys, never mind. I'm using Samsung A06. That's why it is slow like that. So if you can help me, just subscribe to my channel so that I can get a bigger phone. Yeah. So come on, be patient. Just bear with me. Come on, it's about. Okay. Now there we go. It's done now. Good. Done and dusted.
I
Okay, now
always
let's
keep
go.
promising myself
Just
that
here you can
one day
edit
I'm
also
going to be
put the
rich.
text, record
Then
again,
how will
add
I make
caption
it?
You are a
depending on what
fool, you are an
type of
idiot,
video you want to create.
you
And
are
this
How
one
a
you
will
can
I
edit
dog.
do
again.
That
that
man is a
But now
fool.
let's
if
go to
one day?
next. But remember this one also you can record while recording. So let's go to next. Then from here you see this, put it on private. Make sure you put it on private. Then choose it's not made for kid. Then let's go up there, add some title a little bit. But that thought, don't mind about this video. I'm just telling you how to upload your shots. Don't mind about this video. You see this pencil icon here? This is your thumbnail. You can just click on it, then add your thumbnail. Let's finish this one. Then you can scroll down here. If your video is promoted, you have given some money, you can press on that one. Said yes or no. If you are not given, put no. Alternate content, put no. As simple as like that. Guys, don't remember on this one, I'm really going to be fast. Not yet paid, just put no. So and then come down up here, that pencil icon, put your thumbnail. As simple as like that, guys. Very simple. That's how you can upload your shoots. Choose the thumbnail you want to put for your video. Any thumbnail you want. Remember here you can also add a text here. Okay, now press done. That tick there. Now you see everything is lying. Now after here, just go to upload your shots. Now remember to put it on private. Put it on private. Okay guys, this channel I've just opened it 2 days back. Now guys, see there's only 3 videos plus this one 4. Guys, don't forget to subscribe. So after uploading your shots, just go straight to your YouTube studio. Let's go to YouTube studio here. Open your YouTube studio. Then after here, open. Now go to content. Come to content. Then as you can see, the video is on private. Click on the video. Just click on it. Click on the video. And you can see here you can change everything. Just click on this pencil icon so that you can edit everything bit by bit. You can see everything is now here. Let's add the description. Put it on public, add a description, and let's add something here. He was thinking about something bad. Yeah, let's go by that. Then you see, remember, we filled all of this. Then you come down here, put the tags. Anything connected to that video, just add it here, up here on tags. Let's add something. Thought. Oh, sorry guys, this is not the correct spelling. Thought. Anything connected to that video. As remember, the title was he was thinking about something bad. Let's add again. Bad thing. Anything. Remember, at here under entertainment, make sure it is under entertainment if you are creating entertaining video, and if it is educational you can change it to educational video, but for me it's for entertainment. Let's go by that on sample on tags. So here you can see everything is now clear and dusted. Your video is on public, and for us like that. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video. Let's meet again in the next video. Bye.